Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, very funny. Oh, Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Now, part two, no. Part two of this message will blow your mind, keke. It will blow your mind, keke, Ebusia. Yes. Yenkona yenko tie no fully. Dr. Hassan Ayariga.
Family man, and I don't want to disgrace you too much.
They are teaching Igbo children the Igbo language, and on the internet, everybody.
Is it a school or classroom?
It's a classroom where they are they are using it to honor.
Is it a school or a classroom? Please, I beg you. Please, let's know how to use the word.
And we are asking, all these things are they regulated by the Ghana Education Service, and
we will get there. We will get there. Nasana, you see, there is nothing legitimate about Mr. Chukwudi in terms of all the businesses he's mentioned. All those things that he said, there's nothing. They are just fallacies. Registered companies that have no offices. If registered companies that have don't file tax returns, they are not in existence. They don't file tax returns. These companies have been giving it out. I've given up to 18. He said he mentioned 14, but I've got 19 of his companies that he calls it for them, including some auto companies, automobile companies, and other things, and then including his what do you call that thing? A cleaning company and all that. I've given it to GRA to check every information about those companies. Those companies, including their tax returns, their accounts, their internal revenue distance, and everything, and we'll see all those resources. He claims he has so much. Where did they go? And I'm being told he has some people, TV celebrities, that he sponsored them, and they're talking basa. They should wait for 18th. They should wait for 18th. If you can sell your integrity for
coins,
peanuts, we will tell you that Ghana, people died for it, for you to have life today and have freedom. If you think because Chuks has sponsored your program or your birthday or your whatever you have done in the past, and your loyalty is to that nonsense, we will show you sense very soon. We are not threatening anybody. We are not beating any Nigerian. But any Ghanaian who misbehaves, we will lash him on that day. Any Ghanaian who misbehaves, that day, we will lash him well. Because you are a traitor. You are a traitor. If Chukwudi is wise and sensible and claim to be a leader of the Igbo community, will lead well and behave well and stop jeopardizing the lives of many of Nigerians in Ghana and many of Ghanaians in Nigeria. Specifically, many Igbos are not happy. You are tampering with their lives and their businesses in Ghana because of your own personal interests. You are destroying the businesses of many Nigerians, Yorubas and Hausas and other things because of your personal. Who asked you to come to Ghana and make yourself a king? Who did? Who asked you to self-acclaim yourself a king and cause treason? You don't know that your crime is treasonable? You don't know that that is why the citizen arrest is coming after you? The citizen arrest is not coming after any Yoruba man or Nigerian Igbo or even. For them, they're all of them, those who commit crimes, the law will deal with them. The police will arrest them and deal with them. There are many of them. Look, the information I've gotten from our investigation around the police stations where he's lived and other police stations, the information we've gathered is that when they arrest certain Nigerians who are into all these form of crimes, Chukudi sometimes come there. And do you know what he pleads for them? Because some of them work for him. Instead of jailing those people, imprisoning them for their crimes, he beg and spend money for them to be repatriated to Nigeria to escape the crime, to escape jail term. Sorry. And then later on, within 1 month, they'll come back to Ghana.
Crazy.
So far, because of his attitude, let me be honest with you, 480 Nigerians are in custody right now within the 1 month because of his attitude. 800 of them have been deported to Nigeria. 800. From last month till date, because of his attitude. 800 of them have been deported. Keep calling yourself a king. Don't move until Friday, and Saturday we'll see. Yeah, I'm too big for you. You're too small for me. Look, your so-called ritualists in Nigeria, anywhere, they are small. They are very small for me. I'm not the type you can use any juju on. Look at me very well. I'm a prayerful warrior. No evil shall befall me. No evil. Because I serve the Almighty Allah. The Lord, the King of Kings. Only him I serve. I don't serve ritualists. I don't serve voodoo people. I serve God the Almighty. And he is my savior. So go to the voodoo man, the ritualist, 100 times. They will call my name. My picture will not appear. My face will never appear. Joke with me. Joke with me and you run mad. Wallahi. Wallahi, joke with me, you run mad. Joke with me. Try me again. Me, I don't do any spiritual thing against you.
No.
Me, my thing is leave my country. That's all. I'm a Muslim. I don't do anything. I don't believe in bad things. I believe in reality. And I face you. I don't know you. Chukudi, I've never seen you before. You know it. I've never met you. I don't have anything against you. I've never seen you before. Not at all. Let me make it clear. You and I, we have never met before. But it's your attitude and your behavior, what you are doing in my country that I don't like. I don't know you. I don't know Chukudi. I've never seen him before. Nesena. Between you and I, I'm telling you, go and ask him whether we have ever met.
Yeah, he tried to see you and then you declined.
Even yesterday, National Security was telling me that he even said that he has never met me. I said, yes, I don't know him. I don't know him. That when they were questioning him, he said that he has never met me. But they told him that this is the problem Ayariga has with you.
Yeah.
He said he doesn't know me. He has never met me. He doesn't know what he has done to me. You have not done anything to me. You've done something to my nation, to my country.
Yeah.
What you have done. And I don't need to know you to fight for my country. It is your crimes I'm fighting. It's not you. Your criminal activity is what I'm fighting. And that is why I petition every institution against you. Do you think that if I want to fight you, I can't come? No. But I'm a statesman, a presidential candidate who's running to become president. I know the institutions to use to get you out of my country. And I've used all these institutions. Now you have gone far. So I'm using the criminal code, the criminal act to take you out. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'm using the criminal act to take you out. If there are delays in the normal prosecution by state institutions, we also have another state institution that is called citizens. They have their right. When somebody is a criminal, they don't even ask for warrant. Have you seen when people are beating a thief? You see that when you steal and you are caught and you are being beaten, do they ask for warrant before they beat you?
Never.
Did they ask for what do you call authority from the police before they beat you?
No, never.
They will lynch you. They don't ask for anything. They just beat you to death. That is what is happening when you are a criminal and you are being caught. So my advice to you is to live peacefully. Try as much as possible. Friday, take your bag, go to the airport, go, leave your wife and children. Tell Ghanaians you have gone. Make a smart video, I'm gone. Because of the safety of my Nigerian people, my Ghanaian people, my wife and children, I am sacrificing myself to go and live in Nigeria until further notice. I'm born again. I have committed atrocities. But I blame myself for doing it. I take all the blame. Now you want to blame everybody for your crime. You see the thing? You see the stupidity? You want to blame every Ghanaian for your crime. You want to blame every Nigerian for your crime. You went to court. You're not satisfied with the court. You run to police station. Stay there in court. We are going to deal with you there. Any idiot can go to court. Going to court doesn't mean you're going to win. Please. No. Running to court, your running to court was not to win any case. Was to find leverage. Don't be fooling your people sitting there. You have gone to court. You have said that Mr. Ayariga will pay me 50 million for doing what? Mortuary. That you wanted to do a mortuary. And because of the cancel the mortuary, how much is a mortuary in Ghana here? You see how you don't think? You say you wanted to do poultry farm. And then because of my utterances, you didn't do. Do you know how many people have put your name out there before I started? Are you credible enough to stand in court? You are not credible enough to appear in court. You don't have the credibility.
No.
We have so many cases against you that are out there questioning your credibility, questioning your loyalty, questioning your what do you call it? Your
integrity.
Your integrity. You don't know that? Is that how you think? Do you know how many videos, how many court cases we have printed against you? Credibility. What credibility do you have to go to court? How can a criminal go to court and have credibility? Why? The lawyer didn't advise you, he just took your money and spent the money and wrote long paper for you. I have 5 lawyers, brothers and sisters, 5 in my family. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My daughter is also a lawyer. 5 of them. You don't know who you are dealing with. My family, they are all full of lawyers. My extended family, I cannot count of them how many are lawyers. You are lucky I'm giving you up to it. If not, I would have jailed you in Ghana. I will jail you 50 years. And you rot in jail. But save yourself the jail term and run. This bogus rate you send to court is nothing. It doesn't go anywhere. It's nothing. It's like a piece of shit.
No.
You don't even know how to send people to court. You don't know evidences to send to court. You don't know how to write writ. Let me put it to you. So let the Nigerian people stop making noise. Pala. Ayariga has gone to court. Ayariga is quiet. Who? You. Can you quiet me? Can you make me keep quiet? You can't silence me. You're too small. So, Charlie, I have a lot of things to do. So all I want to say is that my brothers and sisters from Nigeria, my fellow countrymen, the 18th, the ultimatum for 17th October still stands. If Chuks is a wise man, he will advise himself. If he's not a wise person, 18th of citizen arrest will be effected and initiated. Nigerians, we are our brothers and sisters, are initiating a citizen arrest against an imposter for causing prison, making himself a king, putting sub-chiefs, divisional chiefs, and still parading himself as a king, and going against the laws of Ghana, and has not stopped, and will not stop until we initiate a citizen arrest. He's there to Ghanaian citizens that if they are men, they should come. He has brought men from Nigeria to come and defend him. Nigerians, Don't fool yourself for this man. Igbos, don't fool yourself for this man. He's putting you people into a danger zone. Ghanaians are not after you. If Ghanaians want to go after you, Ghanaians will not go to give ultimatum to the so-called acclaimed king or say they're going to do citizen arrest. They would have done citizen arrest of all Igbos, all Nigerians. But on that day, stay in your corner, stay in your house, Igbos. Nigerians, stay in your home, stay in your house. If this man is not wise enough to succumb to law, to succumb to the will of people, and think he's a stubborn person, he will never succumb to the will of Ghanaians. And that he thinks he's even Ghanaians, even we as Ghanaians, if such a thing should come to us, we will leave the country. We will leave the country for peace to reign. We will not challenge the citizens. But this man is challenging the citizens. So be it. Thank you very much. So be it. I am grateful for your time.
Thank you. Doing the press conference.
Yes, I just remembered. Remembered on the 18th. That is before the 18th. On the 17th, that is when we will know whether he has left the country or not. I will be having a press conference in my office to give out the details and the last information for the 18th. If it's a stubborn cat, on the 18th, 17th, I will have a press conference at exactly 9:30 a.m. in the morning. I thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Before we end,
Abusia, and finally, Dr. Hassan Ayariga has spoken. Or see, you organize another press conference very, very soon. So, for those people who are blowing their whole horns for the self-acclaimed Igbo king, this is what it is right now. See, ding. So, it is what it is right now from this platform. But what I said, you stay with us on this. Now, our subscribers and more videos to say about also. Let's keep moving. Information I already bro be citizen arrest no basso live on Saturday. Prepare yourself and meet the guys down there. It's going to happen live and call it. Like I told you, massive people are coming from Ashaman, from Nungwa, from Teshi, from Nima, from Buko. Everybody is coming down. Massive one. And it's going to be very, very interesting on that very Saturday. Looking forward to see all of you out there. Senebeya will save Mother Ghana. The easy way in say, Jesus Papa way or Johnny, because Dr. Ayawad said, well, year offer or Bebano ahin 50 years jail term. It was easy. That's your best share biom. Pia ye ko